Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix battery draining issue in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. If you're using Z Fold 5 and you're facing the issue that your battery is draining, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you are connected to the internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you have done, just go to your settings app here, scroll down, go to software update section, and make sure that your phone is up to date because sometimes it might be that if your phone have any pending software update, so it might automatically restart in background, automatically download in background, access your network, which might be more draining to battery. So we have to go back from here once I've done. Now, once I've done, just scroll down Control Center again and just disable unnecessary connections like your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi calling, auto rotate feature if you're not using them. You can also disable your location. So if you're using your internet, so you can use your internet like your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. But if you're not using, so I recommend you can also turn it off. Then go back from here. Now go to connections here. Go to more connection settings. You might see nearby device scanning, just disable it. So basically it automatically scan for your nearby devices. Like if you have any C, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi devices, so in background it will automatically scan. So if you might get any saved device, it will be connected with them. So I recommend you have to turn it off once you have disabled. Now whenever you might have any saved Wi-Fi network, let's see, so you can go ahead to your Wi-Fi settings and connect that from here. It will not automatically connect and background. Now once I've done, go back from here, go to the battery settings. The very first thing you can get and the analysis of your battery usage. Like click on this view details option here and you might see your battery usage or which app is using more battery in your phone. So I haven't used my phone today, so there's nothing to show, but you might get all the information about your system apps, about your installed apps. So if you might see any suspicious app, like if you have the app you don't know, but if you recognize the app is using more battery, so I recommend to uninstall that app or limit background usage to prevent these type of battery issues. You can also go ahead to background usage limits and enable this from here. So once this setting is enabled, whenever your app is unusing, like if you don't using your app, so it will be go to the sleep section. Once the app is on sleep mode, it will not add any, or it will not use your battery. You can also go to here, never auto sleep apps. Here, add some apps you don't want to go to sleep here. And you can also add your sleeping apps or deep sleeping apps. So once you have enabled or once you have added any app in sleeping or deep sleeping section, the app will not be able to use your Wi-Fi, your network, or use battery in background whenever you don't open that app. Go back. Here you can also go to the battery information section and make sure that your battery health is normal. So sometimes it might be that your battery itself is dead or there might have been any physical issues with your battery. So your battery cannot long lasting. Once you have done, you can also go to your Play Store here and click on this profile icon, click on this manage apps and devices, click on updates available, and here make sure that you haven't any pending updates, because sometimes it might be that if your apps any have any updates, so these apps are using that background, so you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for any app. Once you have done, just go back. Now go to settings again here, go to display section and make sure that you have enabled adaptive brightness, or I also recommend you to use dark mode because your dark mode with less battery than your light mode here. Once I have done now once I've done all these settings, you can just go back and I recommend you how to make a restart, or you can also do something else like go to your settings here, go to apps here, And you can try to clear cache of all your apps, or especially your social media apps. Like, let's say I'm going to select any app from here. For example, I'm going to select Facebook here, click on storage, and storage, click on clear cache. It will clear all chunk files from your app. If there will be any temporary files, any chunk files will be deleted here. You have to also make sure that this setting is enabled, which is manage app if unused. So it will remove permission if the app is unused, so your app will not be able to access any permission like your location, your notifications, your video and audio, your files in the background, so which help to get more battery efficiency. Once I've done, I recommend to make a reset to have a refresh in your device. Just click on this reset button and click on reset again to have a reset with your phone. And once I've done, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.